Hello there, welcome back. Dusty Coinsmith here. And hello YouTube. What do we have going on today? Lots of trading, lots of mining, optimizing new coins, new wallets. You know, the usual. Anyways, thanks for joining us here on the Coinsmith channel. We're coming up on 100 subscribers soon. I think I brought that up in a previous video. We're like 75, close to 75, 72. When we get to 100, we will be doing a giveaway. And there'll only be one or two stipulations. And that is liking and subscribing and sharing the video. So, update on my miner. It is lately a cryptonight algorithm miner. And it gets me about 1260 hashes currently, what I've optimized it up to. I'm pretty sure I can get 1300 out of it. I just had to figure out how. One of my cards I see, most people get over 300 and I'm getting 290, so I'm missing about 20 hashes somewhere along the way, but we're gonna show you what's up with that real quick. I've been trading on Coin Exchange quite a lot. All the lending coins I bought into, most of them have made it here first because of the nice fees to get on the platform and all those sorts of things, and the fact that they have multiple markets and they have 1,000,000 coins. I've also been trading micro cap coins for the most part and making 2x gains daily off of my trades. So I've watched XP from 1 Satoshi up. Didn't even buy any. I may have bought a little, about 200. Hardly counted at the time. I sold it so early. So the new coin I've been mining is called Alloy, and it is a cryptonite algorithm coin. Speaking of which, Bitcoin is trying to go back up, and we'll go to CoinMarketCap real quick so we can take a look at the coins on the market. ETH has been up real good the last little bit. Real good. A $1,300 ETH right now. ETH at 1,300, baby. Cardano back at 91. That is a super good backup spike for anybody who cashed out at the top, bought back in at the bottom, or didn't know when the bottom was going to be. Trying to exit that. Did not work. Alright. NEM at $1.50. That's good. A Litecoin at 240. Holding fast. I like to see Bitcoin at 1420 though. EOS now at $16. EOS is the one that's been taken off the most, in my opinion, today. I own this Neo. I've been mining since Neo was worth 30 bucks a piece. I should have just bought a Neo, but I'm only up to 0.77, I think. So I got a little ways to go before I'll have that Neo. Being as that my mining slows down as the price goes up. This EOS though is $16.05. I bought 2 EOS when EOS was $3 or $4 a piece, so I'm happy about that price going up. EOS made it to number 10, Amelia. It is number 10 on the market. $16.05 a piece. I bought 2 coins at 3 something. 2 something a piece. I believe it was. Oh, screencast can go home. You're drunk, screen. Oh, and real quick, new MIV. I'm about to do a lend. A lend as we speak. See that balance period? 35 coins, and now I know that I made $25. Yeah, that's what I made today. Messages. They added something to NewMIV. That's a NewMIV coin update. Let's just lend this real quick, alright? See if we can lend 330 minus that 80, because this is 35 exactly, so I'm gonna lend. I think it is fixed. You can't just do the 2. It's gonna be like, no, I need a fixed number, bro. Never mind, it did it. You can lend the points. This is not the one you can't. So now I'm stuck with 0.797 NewMIV coin. Oh well, right? I guess we'll hodl it. Hodl it forever. Now, one thing about NUMIF, it's only 90-day lending, which is really sweet. And the other thing is requesting capital release anytime you want. Not a good idea, in my opinion. Wait it till it out. Wait it out. By the way, Uber is not picking up rides today, and that is too much for me. Slower. All right, back to the video that or what we originally had decided we were going to talk about. And that was mining this new coin called Alloy, the next generation crypto note based currency. Now, crypto note is my favorite up and coming algorithm, and it's been going strong with Monero, and Bitcoin has been decent. Electronium's taken off. All the new coins realize this is the algorithm that can reach any machine in the world and make something happen. Any machine minus those ones people designed and built just to get rich off Bitcoin. In my opinion, that's a centralized way of thinking, so it's not going to work anyways. But this algorithm, this coin, Monero, Bitcoin, Electronium, they all spread it out. Much like Burst Coin, they spread that stuff out, and they cost less power to run these networks. It is still proof of work, though. I will give it that. 84 million max supply. I'm mining about 100 a day. This is something I like about it. Retargeting at every block. Every block it does retarget, and it changes it. I like that. It keeps it up par. We're going to show you some more stuff here. You know, no more than 84 million will ever exist. It's 3 times faster than Bitcoin. It is ASIC resistant, meaning ASICs can't mine it like Bitcoin, gold, and all that good stuff. And I'm supporting this new features of coins on the coin markets. There's not enough coins to go around, apparently, because we need more unclogged networks. Even though there are some good ones, they're not implemented where I need them. And cryptonight works well for me. My machines are optimized to mine it, all this good stuff. I wonder if they'll actually jump up in a little bit of value here. They're supposed to add features to this coin that don't exist in Monero and some other stuff. So right now, it holds the normal secure, private, untraceable features, and it adds more options for people sending those coins to have cheaper fees because Monero has gone up so much in price. As you can see, that's my miner going. I'm going to test out this mobile camera real quick. My first attempt at this project. See how it looks, peoples. New block detected by the pool. Woo. Now let me get you some hash rates on there. Oh, I can't. 1 second. For me to get you any more hash rates, I'm getting 1250. So let me show you. All right, I got her up and working. I had to make it so that my keyboard could actually type. See that? 1259 there on the bottom screen right here. Ha! 1259! Monero hashes. Thanks for watching. This Allo coin, the devs have been working hard. Actually, the wallets went down, and within a few hours, they had them back up and running, and they've been adding more, making sure the network's working properly. It's got a better reward than Monero. We'll see. I like the way that they've got it set up better. I think it might have some longevity into it because it's going to be stable and it's going to help move money around the world like coins are supposed to do. I've came to the conclusion that it's going to take a million, not a million, but I'd say a good 10,000 coins will be on the market before it's flattened out to where not too many new ones are being put out there. We'll see. We'll see. Lots of coins are being made daily, though. I know that. And the money's being spread out between them because if you go in like Cryptopia, the lowest coin value on coins is like 1 Satoshi for Pat coin, and then you got like 13 for Mint coin. And cap coin, which is locked, so they don't even count. Bottle caps is locked, so bottle caps don't even count. So there used to be 100 coins on, or more worth 1 Satoshi. So if you think about it, everybody's made a lot of money. I'm gonna put out another video after this where I just ramble and talk. I need my subscribers to let me know what kind of videos they want to see. What kind of videos do you want to see, guys? I'm excited to make them. I just got kids running around the house all day. It makes it kind of difficult to, put out content, and I want to do live recording, but YouTube's not letting me at the moment. Put out too many spams one day or something. I don't remember. Oh well. Like and subscribe, watch the videos. We put out some more info on this alloy coin. If you want to go and update your wallet, it will continue mining though. The updates on the GitHub.